In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a supplier tracker in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a clear, organized system for managing suppliers, products, contracts, orders, and payments, all in one place. Start by opening Airtable on your desktop. Create a new base and name it Supplier Tracker. Or open an existing operations base if you already have one. Keeping everything in a dedicated base helps centralize your data and reduces manual chasing. Before you build anything, map your supplier workflow. List the essentials you need to track for each supplier, contact details, what they provide, contract or agreement information, delivery schedules, and payment status and history. This simple mapping step ensures your base captures everything you actually use day to day. Next, create your core tables. Set up suppliers for the supplier name, contact info, and location. Add products or services to list the items or services they provide. Create contracts to store terms, start and end dates, and renewal details. Build a payments table to track amounts, dates, and status. Then add orders or deliveries to monitor orders, shipment status, and delivery dates. Link these tables so each supplier connects to their products, contracts, payments, and orders. Those links are what make your base a connected system instead of isolated lists. Define structured fields to keep entries consistent. Use single-line text for names, single select fields for statuses like active, pending, or delayed, date fields for contracts and deliveries, currency fields for payment amounts, collaborator fields to assign internal owners, attachments for contracts or invoices, and long text for notes. Consistent field types make filters, formulas, and automations work reliably. Create views that focus your team on what matters. An active suppliers view, a pending orders view, a payments due view, and a by product or service view for quick grouping. These views turn your data into an actionable dashboard. Quick note, there's a link to Airtable at the top of the description, and if you prefer the app, you'll also find download links there. Feel free to pause and grab those so you can follow along. Set up automations to reduce manual work. Notify staff about upcoming deliveries or overdue orders. Send payment reminders, auto-update statuses, and trigger alerts for contract renewals. Apply conditional logic with formulas to highlight overdue orders, flag contracts nearing renewal, and track delivery performance automatically. This helps prevent missed deadlines. Test with sample data to confirm automations, views, and conditional highlights behave as expected. Finally, maintain and optimize. Review tables, views, automations, and formulas regularly, and update supplier information as your operations evolve so the system scales smoothly. That's how you can build a supplier tracker in Airtable to manage suppliers, products, orders, and payments efficiently. Thanks for watching.